Welcome to Kwon's Corner. Today, I'm gonna try another YouTuber's recipe. Let's get started! Welcome to Kwon's Corner. Today, I'm so excited for two reasons. First, I'm gonna have fried chicken. Woohoo! Second, I'm gonna try other YouTubers' recipe. I'm so excited. So the other YouTuber is Maangchi! Woohoo! Just like mom. So it's basically having a mom's recipe, and I'm so excited. And she's so adorable, and every time when I watch it, I really want to try her recipe. And today is the day. So let's get started! I have my own recipe for Korean fried chicken, and everyone has different recipe. Since Maangchi is the most popular Korean cooking YouTuber, I really want to learn from her and see how she do it. So to get started, we need laptop. So I'm gonna watch her. So I got my laptop. Let's see how she does.
Hi everybody!
Hi Maangchi.
I brought chicken. Today I'm going to make Korean fried chicken. Sijang tongdak. Sijang means market. So market chicken. Each pound you need a quarter teaspoon salt.
Okay, I have a whole chicken and she cut it in half, so I'm gonna cut it into half. My mom told me how to prepare the chicken. So first you gotta cut this little finger and flip them over, and on the butt you'll see the knob, so cut the knob because it's all fat. On the side of the butt there's all fat, so to be healthy we gotta cut it. See? And flip it over. Right in the middle of the chest we have to cut it, and then open it up and crack the back. We got the chicken in half like Maangchi. So let's see how she's seasoning.
Each pound you need a quarter teaspoon salt.
Okay, each pound you need a quarter of a teaspoon of salt. She has a 3-pound chicken and I have 2-pound chicken. So I'm gonna use a quarter teaspoon of salt each. Make sure to open up the wing so you can season like equally. And flip it over. Next,
Ground black pepper.
okay, ground black pepper. She didn't say how much, so I'm gonna put it however I want. Okay, we're gonna put the chicken to the side, and we're gonna make a batter.
Quarter cup potato starch.
Potato starch? I don't put potato starch on mine, so okay. Excited? Very different. Okay, quarter cup of potato starch. 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour.
Baking soda, quarter teaspoon.
Quarter teaspoon of baking soda. Salt, quarter
quarter
teaspoon.
teaspoon. And then this is the secret ingredient. Roasted soybean powder.
What?
Roasted soybean powder. Powder.
That's so weird. I never thought of putting the soybean powder. I usually put the curry powder instead of the soybean powder. This is really interesting. I don't even know what it will taste like, but let's just do what she does. Oh, it smells so good. It smells like Indomie Korean rice cake. 2 tablespoons.
One magic. Ice cold water,
Half a cup of ice water. Perfect, half a cup. Make sure to use ice water. It will make the chicken crunchy. So do it and mix. Wow. By the way, Korean chicken fat. In Korea, there are more chicken restaurants than McDonald's in the world. How crazy is it? I think they should change KFC to Korean fried chicken. I'm so sorry if you're from Kentucky. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry, but I love you, man. It smells good already. It's like injermi or mizugaru, which is a Korean rice cake. and Korean protein powder. Oh, she knows what's up. She's famous. Worth it. It's salty and nutty, and I kind of like it. I'm so excited. Okay, she say 2-inch. Hey, the whole thing.
To give flavor, some onion. I will add some onion. Small onion.
That's really smart. Like, she's genius. That's thumbs up. Really smart. This oil does not have any flavor, so she's adding onion to make it flavorful oil that will give flavor to chicken. That's so smart. Okay. When I usually make a bokkeumbap, like a fried rice, I usually like stir fry the garlic and green onion and hot pepper to give flavor to oil. But I never thought about putting onion into deep fried food. I mean, it's basically it's the same thing, but I was trapped in a bias. Like, never thought about it. I'm dumb. She's smart. God, that's what you have to study. No matter how good you are, you gotta study it. So chop it. You can chop it any size you want. Let's put the onion in there.
I'm going to coat this my chicken with a 1/4 cup flour.
Okay, that's about 1/4 cup. Coat it. Make sure to coat both sides evenly.
And this is around 350 Fahrenheit.
Okay, got it. Got it. Okay, got it. Everything's ready. Good to go. Once it's turning brown, I'm gonna take the onions out. I'm gonna check the temperature. Once batter is rising immediately, it's ready to fly. Ready to fly? Ready to fry. Cut the shoulder and thigh so it can cook faster. Put the flour in there too. And then we're gonna dip this guy in a batter. Make sure to coat it well. Once it stops dripping, we're gonna put the chicken inside. Oh, check the time! 12 minutes! No, check the time! What time is it? After 2 minutes, flip the chicken. Ooh! Woohoo! That's a golden brown! I'm gonna have this for breakfast. So excited. I'm so happy to be a YouTuber. Otherwise, I will never have this for breakfast. Patient number 2 is ready to go. Make sure to keep flipping so they can cook evenly. It smells so good. 12 minutes have passed, so we're gonna take the patient number 1 out. Make sure to drip all the oil out and then put it on the paper towel so it can soak up all the fat. You guys can look at it. I'm gonna have it. You're not gonna have it. By the way, if you're going to Korean authentic market and getting chicken, they usually deep fry once and put it on the counter. And when you order it, they deep fry one more time and serve it. Reason why we're deep frying twice is make it more crunchy. 3, 2, 1. We gotta wait for 12 minutes, so I'm gonna clean up a little bit.
A little salt. Yeah.
Oh my gosh, she's so interesting. I think she's from different region than I am, but let's try her way. We're gonna add a little bit of salt. Okay, that part is same as my area. I'm from the southern region of South Korea. And add a dash of pepper. In my area, we usually serve like this. But I don't know where Maangchi is from, but she's adding a red pepper flake and sesame seed. That's unusual and mixed well. I'm so curious. Another 12 minutes have passed, so we're gonna take the chicken out. Look at the color. It looks so good. That's it. Our KFC Korean fried chicken is all ready to eat. Eating time. That's it. In Korea, if you're having a chicken, you have to have it with a beer. It's called chi mak. Chicken, chi, 맥주, which is a beer, mak. So chi mak, chi mak. The leg. Wow. It tastes really good. It's so crunchy outside and so juicy inside and make it taste so good. Let me dip it. I'm so curious. Okay. It is same as my hometown but just a little more spicy, and since I like spicy food, it tastes really good. I think I should tell my friend you should eat it like that. Since she added the soybean powder, I can taste it. It's very subtle, but it's a little more savory and I really like it. When I cook it, I usually cook it with the curry powder and make it more flavorful. I usually like to use boneless chicken rather than using whole chicken, since I can make it small pieces and make the cooking process way faster. I think I can make it under 15 minutes. So if you like to see it, please comment down below, then I'll make sure to cover it in a future episode. She makes this chicken taste like my hometown authentic market. It's so nostalgic. When I was young, when I went to this old market chicken place with my family, we usually gather around eating the chicken and my father was drinking the beer, and then I always wanted to try when I was 8 years old, and he always say no. You know, when dads say no to the kid, they actually want to do it more. So me and my brother always order Coke and a Sprite and made a beer. It's a mocktail. I will show you how to do it. Add a little bit of Coke, pour the Sprite. Ta-da! Okay, so when I was young, me and my bro made this, and my father had this. So we always cheered with the same cup, and I was like, that's when I was young. So if you're having party with your kid, you should make this mocktail for your kids. They will love it. They will act like, and they will remember forever. That was one of my favorite memories that when I was young. This is really good, so you should definitely try it. And if you try or if you like this episode, please tell Maangchi that I try and look at this episode. So see you next week. 안녕. If you like this episode, please hit subscribe and the like button. And if you want to see more video, it's over there and over there. And if you have any requests, please comment down below. I'll make sure to cover it in a future episode. See you next week.